Did you ever wonder how those perfectly crispy golden French fries are made? If you love these golden bites, come with us as we're going behind the scenes of a mega factory to see exactly how millions of fries are processed every day, using some seriously impressive technology. It all starts with picking the perfect potato. And let me tell you, these people don't mess around. They're after only the best. These aren't your everyday potatoes. They're carefully chosen because they have this unique balance of taste and texture that's perfect for frying. Think of that fluffy inside and crispy outside you get with each bite. That's all thanks to this special variety. Most of these spuds are grown in the US, where the soil and climate create just the right conditions to make them the fry superstar. Imagine fields stretching out for miles, where each potato is cultivated with the ultimate goal of becoming a golden fry. It's a careful choice that starts on the farm and sets the stage for everything that comes next. Before we dive deeper into the factory, let's rewind to where it all begins: the planting of those essential potatoes. It starts in the spring when farmers carefully select the best seeds to get things rolling. The process is almost like a little science experiment. Farmers prep the soil, making sure it's just right for those potatoes to thrive. Once the soil is warmed up, they plant seed potatoes. Yes, that's right. Potatoes that are specially chosen to sprout and grow into more potatoes. As these seed potatoes begin to grow, they sprout green leaves above the ground while their roots dig deep, soaking up nutrients from the earth. Farmers work hard, checking for pests and ensuring the plants have enough water to thrive because healthy plants mean better potatoes. After several months of care, those little seedlings will grow into robust potato plants, ready to be harvested and transformed into the fries we love. It's amazing to think that the journey of your favorite fries starts right here in the dirt, nurtured by the hands of dedicated farmers. When harvest time hits, it's go time on the fields. Imagine massive machines rolling along, digging up row after row of potatoes, scooping them up like they're treasure. And in a way, they are. These aren't just any potatoes, they're the start of the famous fries. The process is like a well-choreographed dance, with each machine designed to grab, clean, and sort the potatoes on the go. Dirt is brushed off, debris gets left behind, and those spuds are prepped before they're even out of the ground. This makes everything super efficient, with potatoes moving straight from field to storage in no time, keeping them at their freshest. And with the constant demand for those fries worldwide, these machines run almost around the clock. It's all about speed, precision, and making sure each potato is ready for the journey ahead. Once those potatoes are freshly harvested, they're taken to giant warehouses. Picture entire football fields stacked high with spuds, just waiting for their moment to shine. These storage spaces are like potato paradises, kept cool and ready for quick access whenever production calls. And here's a mind-blowing fact. This mega factory churns out about 9 million pounds of fries every single day. That's enough to serve a small country in fries alone. But don't be fooled. Each step in the factory is a dance of precision, turning each potato into that perfectly crispy golden fry we all know. So, with the raw spuds prepped and ready, it's time to head inside the factory, where the real magic begins. Now that these potatoes are in the factory, the first stop is a serious deep cleaning session. Imagine conveyor belts buzzing with thousands of potatoes, rolling through streams of water and over vibrating belts that knock off any last bit of dirt. It's like a potato spa day. Next, they meet the peelers, which work fast and efficiently to get those skins off, leaving the potato just right without losing too much of the good stuff inside. But the cleaning isn't over yet. For that extra level of food safety, the potatoes get a final wash in a mild chlorine rinse, giving each one a spotless, squeaky clean finish. By now, these potatoes are prepped, polished, and ready to begin their transformation into the golden fries we love. Now comes the fun part, the slicing. Once cleaned and peeled, the potatoes head into the cutting chambers, where they're about to meet the high-speed water knives. Picture this, jets of water moving so fast they slice right through the potatoes in a split second, making thousands of perfect fries in the blink of an eye. This isn't your average kitchen knife. It's precision engineering designed to keep each fry the same size and shape. Why does that matter? Well, it's all about that even cook, so each fry comes out crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside, just like us fans love them. And if a fry isn't quite up to standard, no problem. Special sensors catch any odd shapes, sorting them out so only the best fries move on. It's a perfect blend of high-tech machinery and quality control, all working together to make sure every fry in your order is spot on. Now that the potatoes are all perfectly sliced, they get a few special treatments to keep them looking and tasting just right. First up, there's a light coating of sugar. Yeah, sugar. It's not for taste, but for that golden color we all know and crave. This tiny touch helps the fries stay beautifully golden once they're fried. Then comes a bit of sodium pyrophosphate, which sounds fancy, but just keeps the fries from turning gray. After that, they take a quick dip in boiling water, a step that's key for that perfect fry texture we all know, the fluffy inside and crispy outside. And just when you think they're ready to go, each fry is carefully inspected for any weird shapes or sizes that don't meet the high-quality standards. It's like a mini spa treatment before the frying magic happens. Now comes the first big moment, the pre-fry. These fries head into giant vats filled with a unique oil blend that has been fine-tuned over the years. The fries take a quick dip, just long enough to cook them about halfway, locking in that perfect golden color and creating a crispy layer that'll stay intact until it hits the fryer at your local kitchens. This pre-fry is like sealing in all the goodness, flavor, and texture that make these fries irresistible. Once they're pulled out, the fries get a blast of air drying, which cools them down and gets them ready for the final step before they're shipped out, flash freezing. At this point, these fries are prepped and almost ready for their journey to restaurants worldwide, just waiting for that final crispy finish. After the pre-fry and air drying, the fries are now set for their final prep step, flash freezing. Imagine these golden strips rolling through a powerful blast of cold air, freezing them almost instantly. Why so fast? Well, quick freezing locks in all that fresh flavor and the perfect texture, so by the time they reach your local restaurants, they taste like they just left the fryer. This flash freezing keeps each fry crispy, fluffy, and ready for its grand finale in the fryer once it arrives at the restaurant. Once frozen, the fries are packed up into massive crates and stored in chilled warehouses until it's time for them to hit the road. From there, they're loaded onto trucks and shipped to the locations worldwide, where they're waiting to be served up hot, fresh, and perfectly golden. Now, let's talk about some healthier facts about those beloved French fries. While fries might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think healthy, there are some surprising tidbits worth mentioning. First off, the fries are cooked in a blend of oils that includes canola and soybean oil, which are lower in saturated fat compared to some other frying oils. Plus, a medium serving of fries contains about 340 calories, which isn't as crazy as you might think, especially when you consider it's a side dish. And let's not forget, potatoes are a good source of vitamins and minerals like potassium, vitamin C, and fiber. If you eat them in moderation, they can be part of a balanced diet. So, the next time you indulge in those crispy fries, remember they've got a little more going for them than just being delicious. Enjoying them alongside a salad or a fruit cup can balance out the meal and make it even better. The food processing doesn't stop with fries. It's a full-on, high-tech operation for everything on the menu. Picture this: giant machines peeling and dicing onions faster than any chef could dream of, with each piece chopped to perfection. And apples? They're pured in seconds, capturing that sweet, fresh flavor for everything from apple pies to breakfast smoothies. Each product goes through its unique journey, with every step using the latest tech to ensure top quality, consistency, and that familiar taste you expect every single time. It's like each ingredient has its own backstage story, all coming together to create that memorable experience we all know and love. From the fields to the factory, and finally to your plate, the process of creating French fries is truly remarkable. It's incredible to think that a simple potato undergoes such a sophisticated transformation to become the crispy, golden fries we all enjoy. The blend of traditional farming practices and modern technology ensures that each fry is not only delicious, but also consistent in quality. This behind-the-scenes look at the mega factory reveals the dedication and innovation that go into producing millions of fries every day, making them a staple in fast food culture around the globe.